Okay, I'm taking the wheels off this lawnmower to put them on another lawnmower. So I'm going to show you how to take off and install the wheels on these lawnmowers. Most of them are pretty much the same. This one's a front wheel drive model. First we're going to put it up on something to make it easier. Got a little block here. You gotta remove the center caps. Now this one has the fake Hummer wheels. So you're just going to pry this piece off. And there's a bolt in here. Most of them are 1/2 inch or 9/16. This one's 9/16. A little stuck. We got the nut off. Pull the wheel off. Don't lose that washer. That's all there is to it. And we'll put it on the other one. Before you put the wheel back on, you want to make sure the spindle and the gear are nice and clean, as well as this little plate. Before you put the wheels back on, make sure they're nice and clean on the inside. Just use a rag over top of a screwdriver to clean out the hole and blow out the gears with compressed air. Okay, just slide the wheel back on, put the washer on, and finally the bolt. Tighten it all down, just so it's snug. Put the cap back on, just push it on with your fingers. If you want, give it a little tap with a hammer. And there. The rear wheels are almost the same, they just don't have the gears.